Hi everybody, it's Sammy with my friends Alice.
Hi.
And
hello.
Ash. And right here we are bike riding. And I'm in my bike. You can't really see me. I'm right here because I'm in my bike. Hey, I'm what? Let me just do this. Are you coming to the tree? Sorry guys, I mean like I love singing. Here I am with my friends.
Anything could happen there, but whatever.
Okay, we ready to go?
Follow me. We're gonna go get Julia.
We're taking a long cut. She was about to say shortcut, but it's actually a long cut. Now I'm gonna have to stop talking because of the wind.
I got used to this.
Ready? I can do it. Can you do it straight though? Yeah. Like with your legs straight like this. Yeah, we were over there. Yeah, like they found me. They found me.
I know my way home. Yeah, so you can do where your 6 miles when I get back.
Kayla is over here.
My favorite Ah, Sam, no! Stop! Ashley, stop! Ashley!
Yes, you can. Oops. Being right there, I forgot to put down my kickstand, so. I put it back, I'm recording now. They can see you, so. That's how it goes. How it goes.